Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how to use a handheld sewing machine. But before I do that, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you very much. So this is how it comes, packaged in a blue box. Yes, let's have a look at it all around. Okay, let's open up the box and see what we have inside. So yes, this is how your machine looks. It's quite tiny, it's portable, it's small, it can be held, it can be transported. Well, just have a look at it. Yes. There you have it. So the machine also comes with other accessories tucked away in a small ziploc, and you'll see the threads inside, a holder, and also there's an extra needle for the machine, so if you lose the first one you can always replace it. How thoughtful of them. Well, so now let me just show you how to set up your machine for use, how you can put up the thread and all that stuff. First, what you will have to do is you'll have to get one of the thread holders. Fix in your thread, and then fix in, hold up, remove it out, and then put in your holder, put in the spring, and then fix it to the side of your machine. Make sure it's tight. Yes, and then pull up some thread and make sure that it's long enough, because you're going to put it through a lot of sections, and that's the first section that you put your thread through. So you do that, then you turn it inside and put it through that small loop inside there. It's a little bit tricky, but I believe you can do that. I kind of struggled when I was doing it, but yeah, you put it through that loop under. I really struggled, yes, to put it in, but yeah, let's see. Give me a little bit more time and it will go through. Okay, yes, finally. So pull it through so that you have some more thread for you to pass it through the needle itself. Yeah, this is, I don't know, but I really struggled with putting this thread through. But there's also something you can use to put your thread inside the needle and all the loops. Yeah, that was my first attempt, and second attempt. Yeah, so it went through. That's how lucky I was. The trick is have a lot of thread hanging so that when you push it through, it can easily go. And then lastly, just make sure the thread goes through that hole. And there you have it. Though I struggled, it's really easy. It just has. So there you have it. Your machine is ready for use. And yeah, these are the accessories. You can always replace the threads when they get done. You can always get a longer thread handle that's there, that long kind of looking pipe you see. Yeah, so you can also push it up or down. It depends on your preference where you want your needle to be. Yes, and that. And just before I forget, this actually needs batteries. It needs 4 of them, so you have to make sure you also buy a pack of batteries. And yeah, you put it through. Let's put in some batteries before we get into our sewing. So once you put in your batteries, your machine is ready for use, and all you have to do is cover it up and then remove the safety and press this switch. As you can see, it's working. So now let's try it out with a cloth. So this is the piece of cloth I'm going to use. It's my pillowcase and it already has stitches, but let's see. So let's put our piece of cloth in the machine there, like that. Yes, and then just pull up the thread so it doesn't get in the way. So then you place your left hand on the switch and your right hand should hold the cloth while you pull it like this. Yes, there you go. Yeah, once you're done, you have to put on the safety so that the machine does not function while you try to remove the cloth from it. Okay, so there you go. Just have a look at the stitch. Neat, right? Yeah. Well, as you can see, it's really easy to use this portable hand sewing machine. And yeah, that's all I had for you today. So please guys, remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you very much. Until next time, bye.